Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Reclining Chairs is probably one of the most essential pieces of furniture for anyone seeking ultimate relaxation and a perfect escape from daily stresses, offering unparalleled comfort and support whether you're unwinding after a long day, enjoying a movie, or simply indulging in a quiet moment of peace, making the right choice crucial for your personal sanctuary. Number 5. Intex Inflatable Lounge Pool Recliner. Experience ultimate relaxation all day long. This comfortable lounge is perfect for catching rays in the pool or lake, supporting one adult up to 220 pounds. It features a contoured backrest and armrests, designed for superior comfort. When deflated, it measures 71 by 53 inches, making it easy to store. Constructed from durable PVC, it resists sun damage for long-lasting use. A convenient repair patch is also included, ensuring extended enjoyment. Its dual air chambers ensure it stays reliably inflated on the water. Plus, heavy-duty handles make it effortless to carry wherever you go. Enjoy added convenience with cup holders on either side. They allow you to keep your favorite beverage or other essentials always within reach. What we like. This inflatable lounger is perfect for water relaxation. Its heavy-duty construction and dual air chambers ensure lasting fun on the water. If you're looking for ultimate comfort while floating in the pool or lake, this is your go-to choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract helpful points. Number 4. BestMassage Recliner Chair with Massage Function. Experience ultimate relaxation with its built-in 2-point vibration massage. It offers targeted lumbar support and 8 customizable modes, perfect for unwinding after a long day. This recliner is upholstered in soft leather with thick padding and wide armrests. Its modern design effortlessly enhances any home, living room, or bedroom setup. Setting up your new chair is incredibly fast and simple. It requires no tools and can be assembled in just 2 minutes, making it ideal for any room, even smaller spaces. Crafted with a robust hardwood structure and high-density sponge, this chair is designed for stability and durability. It reliably supports up to 275 pounds, offering a cozy and secure seating option. This versatile lounge chair is perfect for reading, watching TV, or simply relaxing. It's a stylish and practical addition to your living room, home theater, or bedroom for everyday comfort. What we like. This recliner offers a unique 2-point vibration massage for targeted lumbar support. Its modern design and quick, tool-free assembly make it incredibly convenient. If you desire a relaxing massage after a long day and need a chair that's easy to set up in any room, this one is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Best Choice Products Folding Zero Gravity Recliner with Canopy. Experience ultimate relaxation with its smooth, lockable reclining system. It glides to an ergonomic zero-gravity position, adjusting perfectly to your body for unparalleled comfort. Stay protected from the sun with its freely adjusting canopy shade. A removable headrest pillow provides extra comfort, allowing you to truly unwind outdoors. Crafted for the elements, it features UV-resistant textile mesh and a durable steel frame. This ensures optimal support and a uniquely comfortable sitting experience that lasts. Keep your favorite items close with its detachable side accessory tray. It includes 2 cup holders, a phone mount, and a tablet holder for ultimate convenience. Its lightweight, folding design makes it incredibly easy to transport and enjoy. Take it to the beach, park, or your next outdoor event for instant relaxation. What we like. Experience ultimate outdoor comfort with its smooth lockable zero-gravity recline. The adjustable canopy shade and detachable side tray add incredible convenience. If you love spending time outdoors and want a portable chair with sun protection and handy storage, this is an excellent option. What people say. Number 2. Yaheetech Padded Recliner Chair Set of 2. Crafted with a strong composite wood frame and durable PU and PVC leather, this recliner is built for everyday use. It offers reliable support, capable of holding up to 265 pounds, ensuring long-lasting comfort. Experience marshmallow-like softness with its plush cushions, pocket springs, and thick foam. Its premium PU and PVC leather upholstery provides excellent elasticity and a soft touch, delivering the ultimate sitting experience. Find your ideal comfort with 3 relaxation modes, whether you prefer sitting upright, with your legs elevated, or fully reclined. A simple push on the backrest effortlessly adjusts the footrest to any angle from 0 to 90 degrees. Cleaning is incredibly easy thanks to its water and stain-resistant PU and PVC leather. Spills are no longer a concern, simply wipe them away with a damp cloth and mild cleanser to keep it looking new. This recliner can be your private sanctuary in any room, perfect for unwinding after a long day. It's an ideal spot to enjoy your favorite games, movies, or music, helping you relieve fatigue. What we like. This set of 2 recliners provides marshmallow-like softness with its padded seat and backrest. The durable PU and PVC leather makes cleaning spills a breeze. If you're furnishing a home theater or living room and need a comfortable, easy-to-maintain seating solution for multiple people, these are a great fit. What people say. Number 1. ABORON Zero Gravity Chair. This chair is designed with your well-being in mind. Its ergonomic features help relieve backaches, neck pain, and muscle tension, promoting better circulation. It's perfect for unwinding both indoors and outdoors. Engineered for strength, it supports up to 440 pounds with its thicker, durable frame. Crafted from premium materials, this chair promises long-term use, backed by extensive manufacturing expertise. Enjoy year-round comfort with its thoughtful design. The soft, thick pad can be easily removed, ensuring you stay cool and comfortable even on the hottest summer days. This versatile chair is ideal for any setting, from your patio to the beach. It requires no assembly and folds effortlessly, making storage and transport incredibly convenient. Forget complicated instructions, this chair arrives ready to use. Its foldable design allows for quick setup and easy storage, so you can take your comfort wherever you go. Your purchase includes 1 premium zero-gravity chair. It comes with clear installation instructions to ensure a smooth and easy experience from the moment it arrives. What we like. This chair boasts an impressive 440 pounds weight capacity and an ergonomic design for superior comfort. It includes a removable soft pad for year-round use and requires no assembly. If you prioritize extreme durability and comfort for both indoor and outdoor relaxation, especially if you need higher weight support, this is the perfect choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source content to extract points from. Please provide product reviews to enable extraction of helpful points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.